camping tents. Ozark Trails. This one's for 50. 9x7. 5'6". It's not that tall. Wind tested. Easy setup. It's like a half dome. 4-person tent. I mean, Ozark Trails is straight. I don't mind them. That one's alright. This one's bigger. Wow, this one's for 130. Oh my god. This is heavy. For 130, 16x16. This is huge. 6'3". Now this is better. This one's 8-person L shape. This one's huge. 130. I think 130 is fine for 8 people. Camping. I don't think that's bad. How about this? The Decathlon packing backpack tent. Oh, this is a backpack tent. This is a single person, 7 pounds. 3 people could sleep in here. This is the Decathlon tent. This is a pop-up shader, pop-up shelter. Oh, fits 2 chairs. I thought it came with 2 chairs. 5'3". I don't like the 5'3" height, but this is just for the beach, a pop-up thing. I don't know if you have kids, but I think an umbrella would be better. I think the umbrella would be better. Cabin tent, instant. 4-person, Ozark Trails, $100 for this one. Requires 4 batteries. That's for the light, the dome light. This is a canopy, instant canopy down here. 144 square feet. Wind tested. I don't know. 130 for this one. I'm not a fan. There's different ways to get your overhead shade. 130 is kind of steep for that, in my opinion. 2-person hiker's tent, $50. Wow, this one's even shorter, 3.6. It's only 7 pounds though. Fits in your backpack for sure. Three-person dome tent, same thing, 3.8 this time. This is for kids though. $30 is a good price for three people. This one's 40, and you get 4 people. A little bit longer. 4.2. Alright, not bad. This is a must for sure. This is an absolute must, bro. You'd be cooking if you ain't got one of these things. Ten-speed fan, just like that. Put it at the door of your tent. Not bad. It'll be better if it was solar powered. If you had to like solar powered, at least that's an option, especially if you're camping. That would be good. There's a silicone water. Oh, you spray your items with this and it becomes waterproof. Okay.